Thanks for showing me what love can do. It broke me into two. Should've never believed you when you swore your love like it's your truth. But left out of the blue, now I got nothing to lose. I hate that I still hear your voice. All through the night, you're still calling my name. I hate that I do anything to feel it all again. I wanna let you be the one to go and bring me down. You could shoot a bullet through my heart and make me drown. Take that easy cue, I know it's better for some help, but I'm still in love with you, and I do it all the deja vu. Don't know where it started going south. I stood with my eyes closed underneath your whole shadow. Thought that you were meeting me halfway, but I found myself inching to you as you're leaving. Got me stuck in a high, creating a show. This moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. You came to me without warning, but I knew why. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while?